Hi, this is Ralph Peterson of 7Trillion SEO, and this is your AI search and voice ranking blueprint. Search is changing faster than most businesses realize. People are moving away from Google search. They're now asking questions through AI search tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, Alexa, and Google AI search. Businesses that adapt early will have a major advantage. In this presentation, I'm going to show you several key factors that can help your business become more visible in modern AI-powered search and Google rankings. Stick with me. Years ago, search was simple. People entered short keywords into Google. Then voice search appeared on the scene, and that started a revolution in the SEO industry. And today, AI is changing search again. People are asking full questions and expecting direct answers. If you've ever used Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you've already experienced how voice search and conversational AI systems are changing the way people search. AI search is quickly becoming the new front door to the internet. Bright Local 2026 research found that 45% of consumers have used AI tools for local business recommendations in the past year. Instead of searching through 10 blue links, users now expect instant recommendations and summarized answers. This shift matters because AI systems are beginning to recommend businesses. That means visibility is no longer just about rankings. Authority, trust, reviews, content quality, and website structure, and yes, Google Business Profile optimization all matter more than ever. Traditional SEO focused heavily on rankings and clicks, but AI search is changing that game. The goal is no longer to rank on page 1. The goal is to become the answer. Businesses that consistently create trustworthy, useful, and well-structured content are far more likely to be recommended by AI systems. AI trust is earned, not given. AI systems are trying to determine who they can trust. That trust is built through authority, consistency, reputation, and expertise. Here are 7 top tips. Number 1, start with the basics. Number 2, tighten your Google Business Profile. Number 3, improve your business description. Number 4, add real project photos. Number 5, review your services. Number 6, remove duplicate or confusing information. Number 7, respond to reviews and questions. If you want to stay ahead of your competition, prepare for AI search. Businesses that adapt early will have a major advantage. Most are still focused entirely on traditional SEO. However, very few are actively preparing their websites, content, and online presence for AI search. That creates an opportunity for you. The businesses that start building authority now will dominate visibility later. The big buzzword right now is AEO, which stands for Answer Engine Optimization. Instead of simply optimizing for rankings, businesses are now optimizing to become the source for trusted answers inside the AI systems. That means your content must be clearer, more conversational, more structured, and more authoritative than ever before. I cannot stress this enough. Your website, your content, your Google Business Profile, your reviews, your YouTube videos, your social media posts, and your online authority all work together. In 2026, Search Engine Land reported that visibility now depends on authority, structure, citations, and brand presence all across the web, not just traditional search rankings. AI systems are now connecting these signals into a larger picture of trust. And that's why content quality matters now more than ever. AI systems favor content that's clear, useful, relevant, and trustworthy. There's that trust word again. The goal is not to create fluff or stuff search keywords into a blog post. The goal is to create genuinely helpful content that answers real-world questions. One high-quality article that fully answers a customer question is often more valuable than 10 short blogs stuffed with keywords. I put all of these actions into a detailed PDF. If you'd like access to my companion AI search guide and future AI search updates, visit the link connected to this presentation and join the 7 Trillion SEO email list. I will personally send you my PDF. Also, from time to time, you'll receive additional strategies, tutorials, updates, and resources focused on AI search optimization and modern AI visibility. And if this presentation has helped you, please consider subscribing to the 7 Trillion SEO YouTube channel. This is Ralph Peterson of 7 Trillion SEO. Think big, be trusted, be recommended.